In this video, we're comparing the Hume Band and the Apple Watch to see which one's actually worth your money. The Hume Band claims to be a next-gen, AI-powered health tracker that monitors stress, recovery, metabolism, and longevity, all without a screen. The Apple Watch, on the other hand, is already the industry standard with years of proven accuracy, regular updates, and full smartwatch features. Hume advertises lab-grade accuracy and AI-driven insights, but there's no verified research or certifications to back that up. Users report inconsistent readings and vague health feedback. Apple Watch uses medically validated sensors, real ECG tracking, and integrates smoothly with the iPhone ecosystem, making it far more reliable. Hume's app looks sleek but often lags and gives generic advice. The Apple Watch offers real-time tracking, smooth performance, and detailed insights that actually help you improve your health. If you want something proven, accurate, and feature-rich, go with the Apple Watch. If you're just curious and don't mind some experimental tech, the Hume Band might be a fun gadget, but it's nowhere near replacing Apple's reliability. So yeah, hype versus performance, Apple Watch takes the win easily.